So now we're going to get bag 101 back out, and we have our 4 screws to attach our neck to the front top of the robot. So we have 2 8mm screws and 2 14mm screws. And the way that we will use them, pull these out of the way for now. And actually, while we're here, just go ahead and take this cable that's coming out of the left side of the robot if you're looking from the back. I'm just going to bring it up and temporarily connect it to this actuator. We'll route this cable a little better later, but this will just keep it out of the way. And these two I'm just going to kind of hold to the side. So this neck mount will fit into here, and then we will insert screws through this side to hold it into place. So for the bottom 2, we'll use the 14mm screws, and for the top 2, we'll use the 8mm screws. So I really just align it here, and then I'm going to push this into position here, make sure I haven't pinched any cables, and then I can see that I've got my holes aligned here. So I'm going to come up through the bottom of the battery compartment with a 14mm screw. I'm going to start to align it through here. Just push it in place. And then I'm going to take my screwdriver, and I'm going to tighten it, start tightening it. I'm not going to tighten it all the way, just enough to hold it. Now I'm going to take one of the 8mm screws. I'm going to place it, and if it's difficult to reach in here, you can use tweezers to get these screws into position. So you can take a screw, place it in like that. So just put it into one of these upper holes, and then take our screwdriver and begin to fasten that down. Make sure we get it threaded. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that one a little bit more, and then I'm going to come back and tighten this other one a little bit more. Not all the way yet, but more than they were. So now we'll fill in the others. So again, we'll take the longer screw and put it in the bottom. Make sure it's aligned. And then just screw it into place, tightening it most of the way. And then we have one more 8mm screw, goes in the top here. So I'll just bring it into position, set it in place, and then fasten it. And now I'm going to go ahead and make sure that these are all tightened. Make sure they're all the way in so that they're not like sticking out of the battery compartment, nice and smooth. And then we'll check and make sure that we've got a nice sturdy connection, and we do. And so now we have kind of the front half of our robot starting to take shape. I'm going to just lean it back a little bit here, and I'm going to set it over here to the side for right now.